Don't we know it? Oi! Oi! Oh, oh! Trucks are waiting in the yard, tackling them with easel. Show the world what I can do, gaily boasts the diesel. In and out he creaks about, like a big black weasel. When he pulls the rod trucks out, pop goes the diesel. Disgusting! Ha ha ha! Gordon will be cross with Duck when he knows. Let's tell him and get back at Duck for bumping us. Disgusting! Cape out! So are we. We're tired of you. We like Diesel. We don't like you. You tell tales about us to the cars. You do. You do. Rusty red scrap iron. Hurrah, hurrah! We've broken away, we've broken away. Chase him, bump him, throw him off the rails.